In a bowl, add your plain flour, then we're gonna add our sesame seeds or sesame seeds, baking powder and salt. And you want to mix everything by hand just to make sure everything is incorporated. Then I'm adding soft butter, and you want to mix everything with your hands, and the mixture should look just like sand. Then slowly add a little bit of cold water and mix everything together until you start to have a nice dough. The dough should not stick to anything, and after kneading it for 5 minutes or so, it should be very elastic, very easy and very soft, just like this. Now we're gonna roll it out, and I'm making about 8 snakes from this recipe. So you want to just cut the dough in half, and then in half again, and then in half again. This way you're gonna roughly get same size snakes. If you wanted to make more or less snakes, you can just double the mixture. And to make the actual snake, all you want to do is, using the back of your hand, just roll it out into a long sausage and keep rolling until it becomes nice and long and thin. So at the top you would have a big sort of head of a snake, and to roll it up you literally just go around the circle and press down the ending of the snake to make it look just like a little tail. Now I'm just going to show you one more time how to do it. You can do different shapes and sizes of your snakes. They don't have to roll. You can bake them like this, just like breadsticks. But I do think the snake look actually is very adorable and also very scary. I'm also using black sesame seeds as eyes, so make sure you press inside quite hard so they don't fall out. Otherwise, while they're baking, they can fall out quite easily. And then just create a bit of a face and the nose. So yeah, once you have completed all your snakes, they don't really expand in the oven. They can be quite close to each other. We're going to bake these for about 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And yeah, you're gonna start to smell them. They smell delicious. Very easy recipe, guys. So take your snakes out. They should have nice brown and golden color on the outside, and you can add any other flavors that you want into the snakes. But there you go, guys, look at these beauties. So they're very crunchy, very soft and very delicious. They're sort of like a savory biscuits. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.